Good morning dear students. So today we are going to learn our English grammar, and in that one what today we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn about articles. Okay. Now articles. So we have previously studied articles, right? So what are articles? Yes. So articles are the words that qualifies noun. Articles वो words है जो किसको qualify करते हैं? Noun को qualify करते हैं. Means it tells something about noun, right? So now articles we have heard, we have seen what are the articles. Basically articles are of a and the. Articles कौन से हैं? A and the. These are called articles. Now so articles are sometimes placed before a noun. ज्यादातर articles कहाँ लिखे जाते हैं? Noun के पहले लिखे जाते हैं, right? Now so article, but sometimes what happen that it is written just one or two words before a noun. So sometimes it is written just before one or two words before a noun. कभी कभी noun के पहले एक दो words रहते हैं, उसके पहले लिखे जाते हैं articles. So basically articles are the words that qualifies a noun, and articles are used before a noun. Now we are going to see the kinds of articles. Now articles are divided into two types. That is the indefinite article and the definite article. So indefinite articles means when we don't know, when the noun is not particular, when it is not particular, when it is not specific. When the noun is not specific, at that time we are going to use the indefinite pronoun. And when the noun is specific, means when we are talking about a specific thing, a particular चीज के बारे में वो बात कर रहे हैं, at that time we are going to use the definite article. जब हम उस चीज के बारे में कंफर्म नहीं है तो हम indefinite article यूज करेंगे, और जब हम चीज के बारे में कंफर्म है, we are particular, we are specific about that thing, at that time we are going to use the definite article. So now indefinite articles are a and an. Indefinite articles कौन से होते हैं? A and an. And the indefinite articles, this we use with singular noun. A और an हम किसके साथ यूज कर सकते हैं? A and an हम यूज कर सकते हैं singular noun के साथ. When the noun is singular, at that time we are going to use a and an. For example, Shruti wants a black dress. So Shruti wants a black dress. Now Shruti को क्या चाहिए? एक black dress चाहिए. Which dress? It's of black color, but कोई भी चलेगी वहाँ पे, उसको कोई भी चाहिए. She is not specific that she want a long frock, or she want a t-shirt, or she want a kurta. She is not specific, but she want a black dress. उसे सिर्फ एक black dress चाहिए, like this. So here I have used the word a article. यहाँ पे मैंने कौन सा article लगाया? A. Now one more thing. We know that when you are going to put a and an, हम a कब यूज करते हैं और an कब यूज करते हैं? Whenever the noun is having a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. अगर vowel sound आता है, I am talking about sound, I am not talking about the word. मैं अल्फाबेट्स के बारे में बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, इसके बारे में नहीं. I am talking about its sound, आवाज. So whenever the word starts with an vowel sound, हम क्या यूज करते हैं? And. What we use? And whenever it is start with an consonant sound, हम क्या यूज करते हैं? A. Whenever the word starts with an consonant sound, we use a. Now for example, we have seen a black dress, a black. Now here black, and see the sound. Sound में, you know in Hindi there are स्वर and व्यंजन. हिंदी में होते हैं ना स्वर और व्यंजन. तो कभी भी अगर हम वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन स्वर निकलता है, वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन स्वर निकलता है, मीन्स a, a, e, e. If whenever we are talking about saying a word, we are pronouncing a word and उसका जो sound है वो अगर स्वर निकलता है, at that time we are going to use the and whenever the sound is going to be an व्यंजन, that time we are going to use the word a. We are going to use the article a. For example, see, Shruti wants a black dress. Now here a black b. I use b means it's an व्यंजन, right? b व्यंजन है, तो मैंने क्या यूज किया है? a. His brother is an MP. Now see here, an MP. अब m देखा जाए, basically if we see the m तो vowel sound नहीं है, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लगा देते हैं? बाय हम a लगा देते हैं. हम सिर्फ देखते हैं कि क्या ये m है. It's not the vowel, so we put a. That's the wrong thing. That's the wrong thing. Why? His brother is dash MP. MP क्या pronunciation आ रहा है? M A. उसका उच्चारण कैसे स्टार्ट हो रहा है? A. और A क्या है? स्वर है. That's why we are going to write and MP from Nagpur like this. Some other are there like this. Vowel U. University. Now U is a vowel, right? U vowel है, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लगा देते? हम यहाँ पे n लगा देते. But no, this is the wrong. n नहीं आता है. Why? University. What we pronounce this word as? University. U. So क्या है? U it's a व्यंजन. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लगाएंगे? A. What we are going to add the article? A. University. Now European. Again E. E is a vowel. But what we are going to write? A. Why? Because the pronunciation is U. European. U. Now the next one is also like that one only. Union. U. So here again what we are going to write? A. Because the pronunciation is U. So हमेशा pronunciation, word का जो pronunciation है उस पे ध्यान देना. If the pronunciation is having an स्वर sound, that is the स्वर की आवाज आती है, तो आप लोग क्या यूज करोगे? एन. और अगर व्यंजन की आवाज आती है तो आप लोग क्या यूज करोगे? ए. दिस इज द यूज ऑफ ए एंड एन. एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट ए एंड एन हम किसके साथ यूज करेंगे? विद द सिंगुलर नाउन ओनली. Now the another one is the definite article. Definite means when we are particular about that thing. जब हम उस चीज के बारे में particular है. So now the article is the. Now the can be used with singular as well as plural. हम singular और plural के साथ दोनों के साथ use कर सकते हैं. Now for example, Shruti wants the black dress. अब Shruti wants the black dress. The black dress यानी उसको क्या चाहिए? वो वाला ही black dress चाहिए. वही वाला black dress चाहिए. His mother gave him a diary. Another example. His mother gave him a diary. Now here, his mother gave him a diary. उसकी मॉम ने उसे एक डायरी दिया. Any diary, है ना? It's not specific कि कौन सा डायरी दिया. Any diary. That's why we have used the word a diary. Now, the diary is blue in color. Now, अब वो डायरी स्पेसिफिक हो गई है. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट डायरी ओनली कि जो उसकी मॉम ने दिया है. सो इट्स बिकम नाउ स्पेसिफिक. सो आई हैव यूज्ड द डायरी इज ब्लू इन कलर. सो लाइक दिस. सो व्हेनेवर द थिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल आई वांट अ चेयर. आई वांट अ चेयर. मुझे एक चेयर चाहिए, कोई भी चलेगी. बट आई वांट द चेयर. आई वांट द चेयर यानी मुझे एक स्पेसिफिक चेयर चाहिए जो मैं पॉइंट आउट कर दूँ. राइट. So like this. So whenever we know the thing, at that time we are going to use. When we are specific about the noun, at that time we are going to use the article the. But when we are not specific, at that time we are going to use the article a and an. Now we are going to see the uses of the articles, where we can use the articles, right? So first we are going to see the use of indefinite articles, that is a and an. हम पहले देखेंगे indefinite articles का use. So the indefinite articles can be used in the sense of one or any. जब हम कोई भी चीज, कोई भी singular चीज के बारे में बात करें, when we are talking about any singular thing, any, or when we are talking about any one thing or about any singular thing, at the time we are going to use the article a and an. For example, there is a shirt in the cupboard. Now here there is a shirt. I am talking about only one shirt. Now the next one is to denote a class or species. Whenever we want to denote a class, एक पूरे class को represent कर रहे हैं और particular we are talking about a particular species of the animals or the plants. At that time we are going to use the article a and an. For example, the fox is a wily animal. Now here we are talking about the complete species of the fox. हम fox के पूरे complete की fox is a wily animal. So here I have used the article a to give a proper noun the meaning of a common noun. So whenever we want to give meaning a proper noun to a common noun, whenever we want to talk about a proper noun, जब हम कभी एक कॉमन नाउन को एक प्रॉपर नाउन की खासियत देते हैं, एट दैट टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द आर्टिकल ए एंड एन. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही थिंक ही इज अ वर्ड्सवर्थ. नाउ हियर हम ही को, ही इज ए कॉमन नाउन, हम उसे क्वालिटी दे रहे दैट ही इज अ वर्ड्सवर्थ. इट इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन. कि तो हम कॉमन नाउन को क्या क्वालिटी दे रहे हैं? अ क्वालिटी ऑफ अ प्रॉपर नाउन. एट दैट टाइम आई एम यूजिंग द आर्टिकल ए. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज in certain expression or numbers. So whenever we are talking about expression or whenever we are talking about a number, at that time we are going to use the article a or an. For example, he has borrowed 100 rupees from Rahul. Now here I am talking about a number 100. So before that I am using the article a. Now the next one is to show rate. Whenever we want to show the rate, it means the amount of money, right? Whenever we want to show the money or the amount, at that time we are going to use the article a or an. So I bought the petrol at ₹72 a liter. So I am talking here about a liter. I am talking about the quantity, that is the amount. So at ₹72 I brought a liter. So again here I am using the article a. So whenever we are talking about any singular noun, any singular quantity or any singular species, at that time we are going to use the indefinite article, that is a and an. Now let's see about the definite articles. Means when we are going to use the definite articles, that is the. Okay. Now so definite article, that is the, is used before superlative words. Before superlative words. So whenever we are talking about the superlative words, now you know the degree of comparison, 3 degrees होते हैं, right? Positive, comparative, superlative. हर एक adjective के 3 versions होते हैं ना, positive, comparative, superlative. So whenever we are talking about the superlative words, at that time we are going to use the article. Now she is the strongest contender of the trophy. So she is the, मैं यहाँ पे I have used the strongest. Strong का superlative use किया है, that is the strongest. Now here strongest contender, वो सबसे ज़्यादा, मतलब there is no comparison. I have used the superlative, so I have used the article the. Now the next one is before an adjective in comparative degree. Whenever we are comparing between the two things, जब भी हम दो चीजों का कंपेयर कर रहे, so at that time before the comparative degree, जो comparative adjective है उसके पहले हम क्या यूज करेंगे? The. For example, who is the better dancer of the two? Now who is the better? उन दोनों में से better कौन है? So here I have used the article the. Now the next one is the with nouns that were always there. So again here with nouns that are always, जो noun जो कभी change नहीं होते, that are always there, they are remain in their position, वो हमेशा वहीं पर है, ऐसे nouns के साथ हम लोग क्या use करते हैं? The. For example, the sun, the moon, the stars, like this. Okay. Now the next one is with a common noun that represent a whole class. Now again with a common noun. Now here एक common noun जो पूरे class को represent कर रही है, एक common noun एक ही है जो पूरे क्लास के बारे में बता रहे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मंकी इज अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट एनिमल. नाउ हियर आई हैव यूज्ड द मंकी. मंकी पूरे मंकी मतलब एक मंकी के नहीं, पूरे स्पीसीज के बारे में रहा कि पूरे जो मंकी है, पूरे मंकीज मीन्स द मंकी इज अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट एनिमल. मंकी जो है वो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट एनिमल होता है. नाउ बिफोर सर्टेन एडजेक्टिव्स, सो व्हेनेवर वी आर यूजिंग सम एडजेक्टिव्स, So at that time also we are going to use the article the. For example, the higher we go, the colder it is. The higher. Now here I have used the higher. The higher adjective है. So before that I have applied the. The higher we go, the colder it is. Now here again the. So like this you are going to use the whenever you are talking about a superlative adjective, or whenever there is a comparison between two adjectives or two things, and whenever there is when the things are always going to be remain the same, or when you are talking about a common noun about that tells us about the whole class, or whenever you are talking about certain adjectives, at that time you are going to use the article the. Now the topic that we are going to see is the omission of articles. Omission means where we are not going to use the articles. हम articles को कहाँ use नहीं करेंगे. So the first one is the with the proper nouns. जब भी हम whenever we are using the proper nouns, at that time we are not going to use the articles. For example, Miss Jalani, Mr. Khan, like this. Whenever we are using a proper noun, हम किसी particular name के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, at that time we are not going to use the articles. The second one is continent, country, cities. Whenever we are talking about any continent or about any country or about any city, at that time we are not going to use the. Africa, Indonesia, Hubli, like this. Okay, but हम लोग USA के सामने लगाते हैं. Whenever we say about USA, the United Kingdom, हम बोलते हैं UK, है ना. USSR के सामने हम the लगाते हैं. Why? They are also the name of the countries, but why we use the? Because क्योंकि UK और USSR ये जो countries है, they are a combination of some small, उसके अंदर ही अंदर बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे countries रहते हैं. It's a combination, right? That's why we have used the. इसलिए हम उनके आगे the लगाते हैं, because they are more, because they have inbuilt other countries in that countries only. उसी के अंदर छोटे छोटे countries रहते हैं. That's why we call that as the UK or the USSR, like this. Now days and month. Whenever we are talking about the days or month, at that time we are not going to use the articles. Friday, March, like this. So language and subjects. Whenever we are talking about any language or any subject, for example Spanish, Hindi, maths, at that time also we are not going to use the article. Now the next one is the illness. Whenever we are talking about any illness, whenever we are talking about any medical term, that is our regarding to our health, so health issues, at that time we are not going to use the articles. For example, paralysis, toothache, like this. So and next one is the planets. So whenever we are taking the name of the planets, at the time also we are not going to use the articles. For example, Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury, like this. So next one is the non-specific plural noun. So whenever we are talking about a non-specific, means we are not specific, हम उस इंसान के बारे में particular नहीं हैं. At that time they are the plural. At that time we are not going to use the articles. For example, teachers, dolphins, doctors, calendars, chairs, like this. Now, but there are some exceptions. इसमें भी कुछ exceptions है. What are the exceptions? Whenever we are talking about some specific, जैसे कि हम days and month बोले, हमने days and month के आगे we are not going to use the article. But whenever I am talking about the specific Friday, मैं एक specific Friday के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. एक specific Friday, for example, the third Friday of every month. So I am talking about a specific कि हर तीसरे महीने, हर महीने के तीसरे फ्राइडे में, हर महीने के, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्पेसिफिक कि हर महीने का जो थर्ड फ्राइडे है उस चीज के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. सो हियर आई हैव यूज्ड द आर्टिकल द. सो एंड ऑल्सो अबाउट हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर, इनके सामने में वी आर नेवर यूज द आर्टिकल द. बट व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एन स्पेसिफिक ब्रेकफास्ट, जब मैं कोई, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल द ब्रेकफास्ट वॉज डिलीशियस, अब मैं उस ब्रेकफास्ट के बारे में बात करें जो बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी था. सो हियर अगेन आई हैव यूज्ड द आर्टिकल द. सो इसमें भी कुछ एक्सेप्शंस होते हैं जब हम किसी स्पेसिफिक चीज के बारे में बात करें. एट द टाइम आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड आर्टिकल द. So I hope you understand this topic, the articles, what are articles, where we use the articles, and where we are not going to use the articles. Okay. So do study well and try to solve the exercise. Thank you.